Hey, listen, I quit. Yeah, I'm going into stocks.
Name of the game. Move the money from your client's pocket into your pocket. But if you can make your client's money at the same time, it's advantageous to everyone, correct?
No. No one is paying attention.
It's unbelievable.
Have to act now.
God, this is intimate. I feel like I'm financially inside of you or something.
Okay.
I have 5 houses and a condo.
I'm considering going long on April wheat. What do you think, Valentine?
But where would you be targeting becomes the key question. So we know already that at this level the market was way below a discount. It already traded, taken out some liquidity here. Again, we spoke about this in the program. If you don't remember this, just go back to the videos and watch them over again. But if you recall, we discussed that once we take out liquidity and we start coming back into this sort of, let's call this a value area for all intents and purposes, but once we start trading back into this range, right, just above the low, it's signifying that the business has already been done down here, right? So a lot of people had their stop losses triggered, right? So down here we're going to find that we're going to have a lot of sell stops, right? And if there's sell stops there, it means that someone has sold to someone else pretty much, and that person is buying at a discount. And that's why these levels are important, because a lot of the bigger players, they're going to look to buy at discounts, and that means that they have to trigger a ton of sell stops in order to get their liquidity. So you're going to find sell stops here. You're also going to find stop loss orders, right? So people who were long and didn't see this coming and decided to exit as we took out the low, right? So that would have triggered their stop orders, right? So and these, everything down here that's a stop order is going to be a sell stop order, and that's why it's so key for liquidity. So now you can see us pull back in, and we will be looking for the market to trade again just above the high. So if this is going to be a bullish continuation, so this market is going to keep going higher, then it means that we have to trade above the high. Otherwise, we're just going to get there, we're going to fail, and then we're likely going to come back down to trade liquidity at the low, or we're going to hang and bounce off perhaps an area where there's strong demand, which in this case, judging from the float rotation on the 23rd of March, accompanying this big bull move on the week, I would say a lot of the demand will be at these levels. So this will also act as a good support level. So technically speaking, you sitting under here with your stops, well, you're going to be okay. And if you held this over a couple of weeks, that even with the pullback here, you could risk manage by breaking even the trade into 238, right? So that's probably a good way to handle it.
Hey, listen, I quit. Yeah, I'm going into stocks.
Name of the game. Move the money from your client's pocket into your pocket. But if you can make your client's money at the same time, it's advantageous to everyone, correct?
No. No one is paying attention.
It's unbelievable.
Have to act now.
God, this is intimate. I feel like I'm financially inside of you or something.
Okay.
I have 5 houses and a condo.
I'm considering going long on April wheat. What do you think, Valentine?